Bamutadde ku bamutadde abakakawe ate bamukudde Kaze bamukwatira ki bamutadde wali ku kkooti bamutadde bamukwatira ki wapande bamutwala wa bamukwatira ki omuntu omutadde ku kkooti bamukwatira ki
If the men in uniform take it upon themselves to inflict pain on civilians, they should be held accountable. We are aware of this. When you see us, you should not think that we are not aware. There is no cover-up whatsoever. This business of saying that this was an order from above, there is no order from above. We are aware that if you give an order that leads to torture, you are culpable. You are held personally and individually responsible. And so we want to work from the understanding that the institution is very much aware of this situation. And therefore, do not think that the men in uniform who are supposed to protect you have run away from their obligations.